guys, today I finally could solve a Rubik's Cube, and today I gotta solve a Rubik's Cube.
Okay, go ahead.
First,
ready, go. So you're on step one, right?
yes. This is a daisy.
Daisy, that's the first step.
Then
We'll do a tutorial at some other point. Right now, we're just showing that a 5-year-old could do it.
And it's almost my birthday. 2 more months.
Yeah, but it sounds better when you do it at 5 and 6.
I have to line it up. Ooh, one more.
Did you show the second step? That's okay if you didn't. That's okay if you didn't. You're on the third step?
Yes.
Okay, we have to show them the second step. That's okay. The white cross. All right, now you're on the fourth step, right?
Fourth step.
Fourth step is you want to get all the same color in 2 bottom.
Yes, it's orange, green, red, and blue.
All right.
Don't worry. When there's this color with the yellow, that's okay, because you pretend it's a different color actually.
But you're not going to do that first, right? You're going to go to somewhere where you can do first. That's a last resort, right?
Yes. What color? I would do it. Two more colors. I got all the colors.
Now you got to do the 5th step, right? You got to get what a
And
yellow
I got
cross.
the yellow cross.
Got to make a yellow cross.
Okay. F U R U R F. Little cross.
All right, now you got to solve the whole yellow side.
That means I have to. That means I have to face this way.
Oh, now look for the double yellow, right?
It's right here.
Okay, go ahead.
Then face this way. And that means turn it.
What step are you in now?
7.
Let's see the Rubik's Cube, what you got so far.
When you
okay.
see 2 green pairs, put it here, then face blue.
Show me, see, let me see. All right, that's what you do, right? That goes in the back. All right, go ahead.
Right dash, front, right dash, back, back, right, front. Ooh,
All right,
this
let's
is
see what you
good.
got.
I got a whole thing.
Okay, so put it there.
Then
Now,
I
it's
have
the
to.
last step. It's the last step. Let me see, let me see, let me see. Boom, that's it. You're on the last step. All right, go ahead. Let's see it.
Then right, top.
Now you gotta do it again.
Yes. Top.
A 5-year-old just did the Rubik's Cube. I think less than a month. That was our goal, right? Was it a month?
Yeah.
All right. You're going to say thank you to your subscribers, subscribe, blah, blah, blah. And we'll do a tutorial if you want to do it too.
Yeah.
You could do it just like a 5-year-old. Go ahead. Say your goodbyes.
Goodbye. Share a friend you know and share with a friend you don't know. Goodbye.